want to see something really cool. Hey, it's got Wessex Blades. So, finally finished this. It took me a couple of goes. So, plan with this was a stacked dual sheath. And what I wanted to do was allow the opportunity to remove the Merlin sheath. So that has a Molle lock on the back. So if you unclip that, you can then take that off and mount that to a Molle panel on a rucksack. And then the Leuku behind has got a mountain sort of lever panel there, so he can wear that separately, or if he had a like a Leverman or a Maxpedition pouch, he could Molle that to the front of that as well if he wanted, or he just leaves it like this. It's entirely up to him. Okay, got a few lovely shots outside, but we've got the Merlin, if you remember, the new logo go, so that goes in the front. And on the back is the new Leuku with the wolf emblem. So Peter, if you could email me wessexbladesuk@yahoo.com, we can sort out final payment and address, etc. Scott Wessex Blades, very pleased with this. Oh,